Let's talk about the natural fibers, and the first one that is we are talking about is cotton. Cotton is a soft, fluffy fiber that grows in a ball, or we can say a protective case, around the seeds of the cotton plants of genus Gossypium in the mallow family Malvaceae. Its family is Malvaceae that you will study in higher classes. The fiber is almost pure cellulose, and under natural conditions, the cotton balls will increase the dispersal of the seeds. So, cotton is the soft fiber that grow around the seeds of cotton plant, and they are usually grown at places having black soil. The fiber is often spun into yarn or thread and used to make a soft, breathable textile. The use of cotton for fabric is known to date to prehistoric times. Fragments of cotton fabrics dated to the 5th millennium BC have been found in the Indus Valley civilization. And in India, it is grown in Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Punjab, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and Karnataka. And in Haryana, also in some parts, cotton is also grown. It needs a temperature of about 25 degrees Celsius and rainfall about 60 centimeter for the proper growth. So, to become a thread, the process of making cotton from field to fabric, we can say the process of making the cotton, it transforms the raw fibers into the threads, yarn, and then into the fabric. And it undergoes three steps in this: preparation, spinning, and weaving. So, cotton seeds are planted in early spring in the field and they grow steadily, and the fruits of it are called as the cotton bolls. And the cotton balls, they grow slowly, and small seeds of cotton fibers develop, and a fully mature cotton ball is of same size as that of the lemon. To be used for the thread of fabric, the raw seed cotton must be cleaned and free of debris, as we have seen in the videos also how the cotton balls they are collected. The seeds, the bud, dirt, stem, and leaf material, they are removed from the cotton during the process of ginning. And ginning is the process of separating cotton from the seed. The cotton fibers are separated from their seeds by the process which we call as the ginning. Next process that the cotton fiber undergoes is the spinning. A yarn is usually of substantial length and of small cross section. In the cross section of the yarn, there are usually a multiple number of staple fibers, that are the very short fibers or long fibers of unlimited length. And during the process of spinning, the fiber is changed into yarn. And spinning draws out short fibers from cotton wools and twists them together into long continuous yarn. Hand spindle or charkha can be used for this, and also machines are available nowadays. The spinning machines are being used nowadays for the process of spinning. Staple spun yarn, these are made by twisting fibers together into strand, and the length of the fiber is limited. Given are the some spun yarns. What type of yarns do we obtained by the spun yarn? Mono yarn means single solid strand, and multifilament, many continuous filaments with some twist. Staple yarn, many short fibers twisted together tightly. Two plied yarn, two single yarns together. So these are the different types of yarn that are obtained from the cotton. Next process that is very important, that it is the process to convert yarn into the cloth, and it is called as the weaving process. Weaving is a method of textile production, means cloth production, fabric production, in which two distinct sets of yarns or threads, they are interlaced at right angles to form a fabric or cloth. And other methods by which now it is done with hands also, and nowadays it is done with the power loom machine also.